Welcome to my channel, dear students and all the viewer. See, here is a problem of integration, that is 0 to 1 x to the power 6 times of 9 digit figure and minus 1 and whole divided by log x and dx. And this is 6 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 log x. It seems to look like a difficult problem to solve this, okay, but here I'm using some technique to solve this problem. See, this is the big problem here is log x. So need to cancel this log x. So if we assume this problem as a parameter in place of that, so that will be alpha. So power is alpha, x to the power alpha. If we differentiate with respect to alpha, so alpha is a variable, so x is constant. So derivative of x to the power alpha, it will be x to the power alpha into log x. Then log x will be cancelled out. So then we can solve easily this problem. So now let this is f of alpha, that is 0 to 1, and x to the power alpha minus 1 of a log x and dx. So f dash alpha, and that is 0 to 1. This is your 1 over log x, and the partial derivative with respect to alpha with the parameter, that is x to the power alpha minus 1, okay, and dx. See, and this is equal to 0 to 1 1 over log x. So with respect to alpha, alpha is a variable, so this is x to the power alpha into log x and dx. So this log x are cancelled out. So we have this is integral 0 to 1 x to the alpha dx. This is very easy calculation. This is x to alpha plus 1 over alpha plus 1. The limit here is 0 to 1, and that is equal to 1 over alpha plus 1. If we put lower limit be 0, so we get only this figure, and this is here f dash alpha. Okay, so if we integrate, therefore f dash alpha, and that will be this is integral d alpha over alpha plus 1 plus c, and that is logarithm of alpha plus 1 plus c, general logarithm. Okay, now we need to find the constant c. Okay, if we put here 0, so c, and this is, let us assume 1, this is 2. Putting alpha is equal to 0, then f of 0, this is log of 0 plus 1 plus c, this is log 1, so log 1, the value of log 1 is 0, so c is equal to, implies that c is equal to f of 0. Now from the given equation, if we put here alpha and from 1, so if we put alpha be 0, then x to the power 0, so that is 0 to 1, x to the power 0 minus 1, this is log x and dx, and x to the 0 minus 1, it is 1 minus 1, so 0, so whole thing is 0. So therefore the f naught is here 0, so put here 0, so therefore implies that c is equal to f of 0 equal to 0. So from 2, so we get from 2, that is f of alpha, that is log of alpha plus 1. So for this condition, see, this is here f of alpha and 0 to 1 x to the power alpha minus 1 by log x and dx. Okay, see, the power of x here is 6 times of 9 alpha, so this is 9, 9, 9, 4, 5, and 6, and that is 0 to 1. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1 by log x and dx. So see, this is, if we put here this figure, so we got here log of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is equal to 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So this is your 6 into log 10. Okay, this is your answer.